This is not just a song. This is confession. This is repentance. This is for every Jamaican woman who carried pain in silence, who smiled through hurt, who built nation while broken. We see the tears now, and we have to speak truth. Apologize, apologize, now we realize the tears in your eyes been falling for years and years. So much aggression, so much domination, hearts get bruised through generations. Male pride talk loud, but love was never spoken. Homes get shattered, so many hearts get broken. Women strong, but still forced to survive, holding the village together while dying inside. Some only link with men just to maintain, not for love, but to outlive the pain. And if this world was righteous, if this world was fair, you would shine like a queen without despair. So hear me now, from the soul of the land. This is more than words, this is where we stand. We did wrong and we can't hide. Too many daughters have cried inside. Apologize to the Jamaican woman. Apologize to the Jamaican woman. Not a fake apology, not performance again, but a deep, true sorrow from the heart of men. Apologize to the Jamaican woman. Apologize to the Jamaican woman for the pain in the culture, the fear in the home, for making you carry burdens alone. Sorry that politics never got rewritten. Sorry too many abused girls got forgotten. Sorry enough man play power games while sisters bear trauma and carry the shame. Sorry sex was the first thing upon the mind. Sorry truth and tenderness got left behind. Sorry we never saw your full humanity. Only body, only flesh, no divinity. In the music we reduce you and misuse you. In religion some words confuse you and accuse you. Called your names when you needed protection. Judged your blood instead of showing affection. If you cry, we call you weak. If you speak, we say don't speak. If you bleed, we move distant and cold. While you carry your strength, more precious than gold. This aggression rooted deep in the story, twisted spirituality, stealing your glory.